A pair of AirPods Max. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Pioneer 4K Xumo TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on our Pioneer TV. So grab your remote. If you have this model here, you should have a settings button or a gear icon right there. If not, just click on the home button for the home screen. In the top left hand side of the TV, you can see a little gear icon. Just go up. And then right there, click on OK to go to settings. And then from here, we're going to go down. You're not going to have Bluetooth devices on here, okay? This is under the quick menu. So as soon as you click Bluetooth devices once, then it'll show up here under the recent menu. But you're not going to have that right now. So you just want to go down. And oops, I passed it. We're going to go to picture and sound right there. Click on OK. And then we're going to go down to audio settings. So down, down, down right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth devices right there. Click on OK. And now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode. So now let's grab our AirPods Max here and let's put these into pairing mode. Okay, so I'm going to hold this one button down here. We'll know it's in pairing mode when the light is blinking white. Okay, so here's a button here. I'm going to press and hold it. There's that white light. I'm going to wait till it starts blinking white. Okay, now it's in pairing mode. Okay. Now just wait till it finds it, and it found the AirPods Max right there. So I'm going to move over where it says pair, click on OK, and then wait till it connects here. And there we go. I just heard it's connected. You can see it's connected up there as well. And there you go. Okay. Now you can go ahead and put on Netflix or YouTube, and all the audio is going to come out of here. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put this in pairing mode or issues connecting to your TV, you can always factory reset these. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these if you have trouble connecting or pairing, okay? Good luck, guys.